Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's and welcome aboard our newest listing, a 2017 Formula 310 SS. Formula has a legendary name in the industry, known for its performance, comfort, styling, and luxury. This 310 SS is no exception. Powered by twin 8.2 Mercruiser Bravo 3s, the boat features joystick control and skyhook. I did remove the fenders here on the starboard side just to show a clean boat, and so you could see that starboard side. It is a clean boat with one exception. I had a bird leave me a little present before I started this video, so sorry about that. It has had 2 owners since put into service in 2017 and has been exclusively used in freshwater. First thing you'll notice is this huge swim platform and this tanning bed here. The beauty of this thing is that it has flip-flop backrests on the aft bench seat, so you can be facing forward or aft. There's storage underneath this seat. We have a stereo remote here, transom shower here. We have a small wet bar with storage underneath and tons of seating. Another nice feature is the helm seat and companion seat also flip back and forth, so you can face forward or aft. Makes a nice conversation area. Companion seat, there's storage underneath that seat and all of these seats. Plenty of storage. And onto the cabin. First thing I'd like to talk about is this cabin door actually has a screen, which is a really nice feature if you are an inland lake boater. This boat has been maintained at the highest level and shows like brand new. We have opening deck hatches, opening port light windows, entertainment center, stereo head there, television there, and that is your thermostat for your air conditioning and heat. 110 outlets and 12 volt outlets. Galley features a refrigerator and microwave. And there's the head. For more information on this 2017 Formula 310 SS, please call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.